Oh my God, what I have seen in Milan, I have never ever seen before. Holy. Okay guys, what I just showed you was a collab that we did with Sunbrella and Liz Collins, who's an artist, and the idea is behind having zero waste when it comes to fabrics and remnants of fabrics, so that they are not just thrown and woven once again, even though Sunbrella does a good job with repurposing their fabric. But this was a beautiful collaboration so that they can repurpose some of these materials in ways that are artistic, and that is exactly what we were doing today. So you'll see that on my stories. Pieces are made entirely of rubber, and you're encouraged to play with everything. How great is that? I think it's phenomenal. Look at this. They're rubber, literally rubber. You can see it here. And the table is of rubber as well, but obviously just beautifully designed. And all you want to do is squeeze everything. Okay, now we are going to another exhibition, which is going to be amazing. And all I can say is, A, we don't want to get run over, and B, you're not going to believe what you're going to see. So we're at the Ministero della Cultura. Yes, I speak Italian also. Friends, today is day 75 of us in Milan, and we are going to hit some of the most beautiful locations in Milan that have these exhibitions for Milan Design Week. And then tomorrow morning we are going to leave for a very special getaway that is totally off the circuit and not part of Milan Design Week. So you guys are really going to enjoy it. We are actually going to get on a plane and go somewhere else, and then we'll be back for the remainder of Milan Design Week. Can't wait to show it all to you. So today we're at this beautiful villa, as you can see, for the Lasvit exhibition for Design Week. And they have just incredible art that is made with glass for lighting and all sorts of other applications. And you can see everything here. Look at this wall. Do you guys remember the Miami Vice walls of the past? Well, this is a very high-end, upscale, new interpretation of that. And if you could see the beauty of these in person, you would just pass out. Like, I'm about to pass out. This is so good. So Lasvit is a bohemian design and artisan house, and they've been doing this for I don't know how many thousands of years, where they have learned the craftsmanship of glass for architecture. This is actually about glass blowing and how glass is blown with their blowpipes. They use fused glass in a furnace, and it's usually, typically fused glass is formed by its own weight, and you lay ordinary sheets of glass on handcrafted sort of matrices. And this is what you see here. And then it forms and it molds. And this is a really playful experiment that was done by Lasvit. And it's just a beautiful way to illustrate the importance of glass and how it can be very, very artistic. So the textures are imprinted on there, and then they become literally art pieces. You can put these in windows, and you can also customize it to whatever design that you want. And imagine if you had a specific wall with this gorgeous mirror, or you can imprint your logo, or look at what you can make up here. I mean, the applications are truly endless. And here's the final bois de cristal is what they call this. So you've got wood and crystal pendants that are just insane. I wanted to say something, and I'm going to say it with my glasses on because I love these glasses, but I wanted to say something a little out of the ordinary here. And that is that when you follow your goals, your dreams, your passion, it brings you so much joy. To me, to bring you guys into this environment, albeit through the television or through technology, is really rewarding in a sense. And it also brings me pure gratification to know that I am sharing what wholeheartedly speaks to me. And there's a sense of almost religious awakening that happens when you are around gorgeous design. It's no different than being in a beautiful church or a mosque or temple, whatever you want to call it. It is a place of spirituality when it moves you, when you feel connected. And to me, that is religion. Religion is what makes you feel grounded, what makes you alive, what brings joy to your heart. And this journey that I have taken with you over the last few years, and for those of you who follow, has really inspired me to do more, to be more, to share more, and to bring you guys everything that I've learned so that you guys learn with me. It's all about doing things together, following this journey in unison, and discovering newness and old, bringing old and new together. You guys know that's pretty much my motto. So I wanted to thank you for being on this journey with me. I know so many of you, and it's just, I'm just grateful, really, really grateful and moved. I'm really moved to be here in one of the oldest cities in the world, in a moment in time. We're just all little, little specks in the world. And we only have a limited short amount of time together. And why not make the best of it? I love you guys. Okay, we filmed a lot of content. We went to a lot of different sites. And finally, we're back at the hotel. I've had an outfit change, which I did in the taxi. That's right. I scared a few Milanian residents. Anyhow, we are back at the hotel and we are exhausted. We are going to have some tea. Everyone's having Aperol Spritz here, which is great. But I can't drink during the day. Never a thing for me. So we're just gonna have hot tea and finally do a little bit of relaxing before our event tonight. Tonight we are going to the Elle Decor party, which is going to be great fun. I'm gonna run into a lot of people in the industry that I know, and also my PR agency and whatnot. They're all gonna be there. So it'll be a work night, but it'll also be very fun to see what's happening there. So hopefully I can take you guys in. If not, I'll just do a quick little video of the event so you get to see what it looks like. Okay, we are ready to go to the Elle Decor party. And I am wearing, let me show you what I'm wearing. I am wearing a blazer from Wardrobe NYC that, oh good Lord. I just got it, and guess what? The tag is still on, so I'm gonna rip that out. And my skirt is a very long skirt. It looks like everything else that I own, but actually this is a different one. This is from Frankie Shop. Let me show you my purse, my favorite clutch of all time. It is so good, and I've used it like non-stop this season. Really good. And then I'm wearing my Saint Laurent shoes with a cute heel. You guys have seen these? I think they're fantastic in burgundy. And anyway, off we go. Voila. Wish us luck. Bye. We're about to walk into the party. We are in gorgeous Milano. Having fun, Yuli? There's a lot of excitement here, and this installation is next level. I'm going to show you what's happening in tile. This is surface. There's a lot of vertical tile that's actually glazed and shiny, and these beautiful light fixtures that can go. And this would be, I suppose, your fireplace. Everything is rounded. This camel color is making a huge comeback, I would say, from when, probably the 70s, I'd say. This gorgeous light. A lot of mid-century pieces that are being mixed. There's a sense of very earthy tones with very beautiful architectural pieces. Of course, the very famous Ettore Sozza's mirror. And then this notion of vertical tiles is going into the bedroom, but in a padded format. This is soffits, which is great for acoustics. And then the flooring is wood, which is really interesting, but in a grid pattern. I ran into an interior designer that I'm friends with, Claudia. She was here, Avshar. She's an incredible designer. Okay, so I just want to let you know that this is a kitchen. Yes, it is. We've talked about steel kitchens, how beautiful they are, and I believe this is going to be the next big thing, are these very sort of living finishes. This is a living finish, a stainless steel that's breathing and living. This is also steel, like a rideau, like a curtain. This is very interesting as well. It is cabinetry with backlighting. And look at the door, which opens and closes. Beautiful, oh my God. Obsessed. And guess what? Guess where the ovens are, you guys? I am dying. These are the ovens. It is just too good to pass up. This looks to be a rift cut of burl wood. Looks like burl wood, but it could be something else. This again looks like curtains. They're dividers. Look at the sink. It's just an enormous sink. And then look at these drawers. Dying, need. Jill's dying over this. I'm dying over this kitchen. Can I have it? Look at the lighting, by the way. Like I said, never use recessed lighting anymore. I love using just interesting lighting that actually has the purpose of lighting a room. This is an incredible room. Again, terracotta tiles everywhere of different shapes and different sizes. Very earthy, lots of textures, LED lighting, which is what makes it even better. And these modular sofas which can be used in theater rooms or just for comfort in the living room. Little poofs. Beautiful artisanal products. These installations are so well thought out. Look at the sofa. It's got mirrored, the bottom is mirrored, and it's got these beautiful little vases. And these little stools are my favorite. You guys recognize that light, I'm sure. It comes in 2 sizes, the large and the small. This is all Colvert. Just love this ribbing that is everywhere. And then here we've got a beautiful white oak dining room table. So white oak and terrazzo combo are doing phenomenally well. I can see that. And then again, it's all about these gorgeous textures of these tiles. I think I need to install it all over my house. I can't even believe how gorgeous it is. Comfortable. Comfort is really at the forefront, I'm noticing. People want beautiful objects, but they want them to be comfortable. This sofa is beyond comfortable. These sofas are also extremely architectural and comfortable, and we know the modular sofas are comfortable. Okay, I have to show you this next tiling in this room because you've never seen anything more beautiful. This can have an application in the bathroom or really anywhere. It could be backsplash even. So it's a 3D type of triangle that protrudes. And then I'll show you exactly what the back of it looks like. Brick, masonry, turned into walls is a big thing. This is alchemia. Alchemia materials. Here you go. This is it. You can get them in different sizes and big sizes and little bitty sizes. And then you just install them as you would tile. And here are all the materials that are trending at the moment. You've got glass. You've got this living finish, green marbles, earth tones. This is a really good divine terracotta brick wall that could be turned into anything. This could be an outdoor application for a wall. I mean, infinite possibilities. And then you've got a lot of the terrazzo and the marbles. The marbles, you know, the pink onyx, the white onyx, and these sort of darker, what look like quartzite to me. Back at the party, it is now dark and everybody's dissipating. It's been quite an evening. Just had a long chat with Philip Jeffries of the Philip Jeffries wallpaper, which was really fun. It's nice to actually see some of these designers that you use in your projects, and we had just used him in 2 or 3 of our projects, so that was really fun. Now we're gonna go to dinner. It was super fun. I hope you enjoyed the little tour. And this is what happens basically all week long. It's party after party after party, and a little overwhelming because there's just so much to do and you don't want to miss out on anything, but at the same time you can't go to everything. So anyway, that is a little snippet. We're going to dinner now. Anyway, want to close this out by saying thank you guys for following. Make sure and subscribe, ring the bell so that you don't miss next week when we go to Furio de Salone, which is an actual convention which has all of the brands, and we're going to talk about what's trending and what isn't. I love you guys, and I'm going to say arrivederci for now. Ciao.